to build an amazing life together. To our guests, share this experience. To loved ones gathered here to support you as we embark on this journey together. As the Bible reminds us in Corinthians, love is patient. Love is kind. It does not envy. It does not boast. It is not proud. It is not self-seeking. It is not easily angered. It is no record of wrongs. Love does not delight in evil, but rejoices with the truth. It always protects, always trusts, always hopes, and always perseveres. Love never fails. I'd like to ask you, Thomas Miller, to please take a moment to look at your friends. Who are with you today? In the months of preparation that went into planning this beautiful day, please take some time to pause, to take a breath, and make a memory that is not fading. So without further ado, dear beloved and honored guests, we are gathered here to join Whitney and Thomas in the union of marriage. This contract is not to be entered into lightly, but thoughtfully and seriously, with a deep realization of its obligations and responsibilities. Whitney, you can have your vows. Hold Thomas' hand. Whitney, please first. Hold his hand.
My marriage family. My heart is filled with so much gratitude to be able to stand here amongst our friends and family. You are and have been a divine alignment in my life. I feel so blessed. I am so grateful that the people around us are well. Summer 2012, on a little island called Long Island. I will never forget the first day we met. You greeted me with the biggest smile and called me Michelle. It was a case of mistaken identity. It was the very, very first time I ever met you. Little did I know, it was the beginning of our beautiful journey. A journey which has led us to Orchid, Nantucket, and many, many other places. Traveling the world